Our Computex 2025 coverage is made possible thanks to our amazing sponsors.
Hey guys, we're here with Antec at Computex 2025. I've got Lee with me, and well, they've got some new cases, and they've kind of got cases that I guess Antec are known for.
Nostalgia.
Nostalgia. Yeah. But now, 20 years later, you're bringing back probably one of the all-time greats.
Yes.
Tell us about it, Lee.
So it's the Antec 900. It's a classic case. It was a product that we launched 20 years ago. It was a market-leading product, and we've revolutionised it for the current market with up-to-date features and support.
So we were sort of talking about the colours and things like that, and I mean, for me personally, it's a slightly different blue. I would have preferred an eTeknix blue, but this one is definitely my favourite one. But what other colours is it actually available in? We've got the blue, we've got like a glossy black?
Black gloss, black matte, this gunmetal aventurine green.
And then this is matte black again, but this has actually got a
with a full system inside,
so we can kind of see exactly what's going on. Now, I will warn people, because it's not going to be cheap, but there is a reason. I mean, it's a very, very big case. It's got a lot of really cool features on it. I mean, just straight away, if we take the front panel off of here, I mean, that has got some weight to it to start. It's got a built-in nylon dust filter as well. But one of the key important things, which I guess you wouldn't know without looking, tell us about the fans.
So these are 200mm fans, and they are the Noctua Chromax fans. So we've partnered up with Noctua to work on the cooling, to give excellent cooling performance. And it's just a collaboration between us and another great company to work together with.
And one really cool thing about this, which the people watching can actually see, is we've got these two rails coming down here, but you can actually move it, and there is some sort of slight little marks on here telling us that you can fit 120, 140, and then obviously 200mm as well. And these are 200mm fans, so you're going to get plenty of airflow, and it comes with these as standard. Just looking on the inside, we can see a full custom loop build in there as well, looking really, really nice. I mean, there's still a lot of space in there, even with huge amounts of components. And you were actually saying on the top we can take not just this panel off, but this one as well, right?
Yep, so it's all modular, so if you want to mod or upgrade or do special things with it, you can.
Yep.
So this panel here just pops off.
And again, I mean, this top panel weighs, it's got a good weight to it.
It's all fully removable there.
Yeah, this has got a good weight to it. So I don't know, it might just be me, but when you feel something feels heavy, kind of is a testament to the quality of it and things like that. So when is this going to be available? How much are we talking?
So we're looking for availability probably end of August, start of September, and we're looking at around 309 price.
Yep.
So GBP, euros.
And the reason you're doing this now is because of 20 years. This
20 years,
one of the most iconic cases that you ever did.
And we're bringing it back.
So yeah, let us know in the comments what colour you actually like the most. I think we're in agreement with the blue, right?
Yeah, blue's great.
It definitely stands out and just, gives it that kind of unique contrast. But we have got some other cases over there with more collaborations with Noctua, so let's go and take a look at them. So next up is the Flux Pro. Now we did actually see this. This launched at Computex last year, didn't it?
Yes.
But now we have the Noctua edition. So we've still got the wood on there, and I was saying, even though it looks like this one is a slightly different sort of shade of wood, it's because it's real wood, so there's always going to be that slight difference.
Yeah, you get a different grain with every piece of wood you build.
And that obviously makes it very, very unique. Obviously, Noctua brown on top, but it goes even further than that. If we take a look at this one on the left, we can see, well, what you get included inside. So we've got the tempered glass panel, and then inside it is a full Noctua, well, everything.
Theme.
Yeah, the whole theme. So not just the fans, which they actually all come included, right? So we've got 3 140s in the front, two 120s,
and a 140 in the rear.
But even down to the grommets, perfectly colour matched for Noctua as well. Have we got pricing and availability on this yet?
Availability, we're looking at the end of the year, so Q4, so maybe October, November, December. Pricing, we don't know yet.
Okay. I mean, I can obviously say on camera, it's Noctua, it's not going to be
It's going to be premium price.
Yeah, but there is a very good reason. You're not just paying unnecessarily. You've done this with Noctua because you consider them as a premium partner as well that matches, I guess, the ethos that Antec is now taking with a lot of their products.
Well, what we did as a business, we looked at this product, and this was one of the best cooling cases on the market of 2024. So we thought, how can we improve on that? let's work with the best case brand on the market and bring it to the next level.
Makes sense. And obviously not everyone's going to be completely sold on the colour. We know when it comes to Noctua, it is a bit Marmite, love-hate sort of thing, but I kind of think it works, especially with the wood. It just kind of matches.
It naturally brings it together.
And we do have some Noctua branding on the top, but the really cool thing, it's actually been etched into the side down here as well. Just quite subtle, but, you know, to the point. And I guess it's one of them of, as soon as someone sees this, they know what it is, right? They know that it's kind of, you know, that collaboration with Noctua. But let's sort of move a little bit further down, because this is another, I guess, iconic, big kind of case. So what is it, Lee?
So this is the P180. So it's an updated version of the P180. So that was a product we launched about 25 years ago. And it was the industry's first dual chamber case on the market. We pioneered that 25 years ago. And we've decided to bring that back now. So the P180, the focus of that originally was all about silence, but with the performance to go with it. So we've revolutionised that and modernised it for the current markets.
So obviously silence is, yeah, probably the key important thing, and this has got some really unique features to kind of give you that element of, you know, keeping things noise to a minimum. Tell us about that a little bit.
Yeah, so we've got foam padding in the bottom of the case where you naturally would install fans. So that helps. And we've also got foam dampening at the top of the case. So it's a very early sample of engineering for the foam at the moment, so it's a bit rugged. But the plan is to launch the product with a final set of multiple foam inserts, so you can go 120mm, 140mm, and maybe even 200mm. We're not sure yet.
So really you want to give the consumer that kind of choice as to what they want to do without, I guess, unnecessarily having to buy this and buy that. It's just, you buy the case, it comes with it, you've got the choice of what you want to do with it, yeah?
Yeah, so the way we've looked at it is, obviously we've got the 900, which is based on air cooling. That's the legacy of the 900. And then you've got this, which is the balance of the performance combined with the silence. And so you've got the best of both worlds. Customers can pick what they want.
Yeah, obviously we do have a glass panel on the front, but we do have still a huge amount of airflow. I mean, you can just see as you look inside the case, the whole rear is, well, essentially airflow central. Obviously that space in the top as well. So you're not being restricted, but still a big focus on not just airflow, but silence.
And it's eTeknix support, as you can see, and it's got full BTF support included as well.
Yep. Have we got any pricing availability? Because I know this is still early. So.
Yeah, this is very early. We don't know price, and we don't availability. It may even be next year, Q1 next year. We're not sure yet.
Cool. Now, one of my favourite cases that I actually looked at recently was this, but, well, it's not orientated the way that I expected. What's that all about? So
we launched this product last year at Computex, and it was a horizontal-based ITX system. Everybody loved it. We got lots of positive feedback. But what we've decided to do is use this as like a base platform to work on and allow modders, builders to actually customize and have more options and choice. So it's going to be a continuing ecosystem that's ongoing. So we're just coming out now and launching with a vertical mount. It's quite simple, but it's effective. It changed it from the horizontal mount to the vertical mount.
Anyone who already owns a case will be able to buy the vertical mount, or if you're a new customer, you'll be able to buy the case and then the vertical mount and sort of have that as a package thing. But sort of taking the, I guess, the modifying bit to the next level, that's where all of this comes in, right? Which is Performance Exo.
Yeah, so it's Exo. So it's an exoskeleton version of the Performance. Yep. So the normal Performance comes in anodized red, but we're releasing the Exo in black, so it's a modder's dream. They can take it, powder coat it, do whatever they want with it, paint it, and it's just the frame. You buy the bare frame, no paneling, and it's knock yourself out and have fun.
Kind of do what you want and everything. And yeah, I mean, just some examples. You've got obviously white here, and then yeah, the case itself in black, because I guess not everyone wants the red, do they? It's yeah, I guess one of them. Some people, I actually really like it. You don't really see it too much. You can kind of get it in the right light through the huge amounts of mesh, which obviously there is a big focus on airflow because of the size and the capacity of the case. But yeah, there's definitely some really cool stuff going on here at Antec, and looking forward to actually getting these in and seeing what we can do with them. So there you have it. This is one of, well, many videos that we're doing here with Antec. They have got some really cool power supplies that we're going to be looking at in some of our short form content, as well as a really unique AIO. So stay tuned for that. And thank you very much, Lee. Appreciate it.
No problem.
Cheers, guys. Bye-bye.